Hello everyone. I'm at my live fort. This is the live fort here in our journey. As you can see, I created myself a banner. I think this banner is like very, I put my aura in this banner. As you can see, I have a mentality like, no excuses, just execution. Every day is a new chance. I don't have it all figured out. As you know, guys, I started from zero on YouTube, from zero on every platform, from minus in trading, minus $35,000. Uh, and of course, I don't have it all figured out, but I will figure it out. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. I'm building my own way. Join me if you're ready. I'm building everything I'm doing here, guys, is my own way. I didn't bought some courses. I'm doing trading in my way. I'm doing live streaming and everything in my way. So building my future one trade at a time. I think this says everything. And yeah, the goal is financial freedom and the freedom to do anything with anyone and with everyone that I want. You know, and of course becoming the best the best version of myself. Of course, guys. So yeah, let's activate the banner and let's start today. Today is a new day. Today we will open trading view, of course, and we will try to trade something today. At first, until the New York Open, we will warm up with some back testing. Today will be like a chill day in our journey. We will back test and we will try to take some trades. Of course, guys, as you already know, I'm not a financial advisor. I just trade my way, and I'm trying to grow with you live. So don't take my advice like it is a financial advice. Just is my opinion, and take it as it is. So yeah, as you can see, guys, the London Open was choppy. The pre-New York Open very choppy today. Let's see if we have some news. Always check for news, guys. Always check if there are big news in the calendar. As you can see, in 15 minutes we have some red calendar news, but nothing too big today. We don't have some big news today, like how it's called, like CPC or Fed chair nomination or PPI, CPA. Yeah, we don't have something like this today, so this is good. But yeah, we need to stay careful at this hour and right now, but we will not trade. Also, this price action is like, is not our best price action to trade. Usually when we have PA like this, usually I don't trade, but we will be in the market today and see if we have something to trade. And yeah, let's see the bigger picture of Solana. But we can start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the boss, of course. Let's do that. Let's watch Bitcoin. Yeah, for myself, I'm very curious what we're doing here. I'm very curious what we're doing here because we retested these highs here, and right now we are in a important area. We are in an important area like here, and if right now we are like making head and shoulders, is something that the market maybe will drop a bit. As you can see, this is like head and shoulders, guys. Retest again and then drop. And I'm very curious of the new area of the movement. Even if we break this zone, we expect to have here another big area of a big FVG, a big area of sell orders here. And yeah, we will see on Bitcoin. I see that in the last few days the volume like decreased in my view. We had like even yesterday a lot of choppy market. Even 2 days ago choppy market. For myself, the only good day to trade was Monday. Monday was very good day to trade. Also, Tuesday is not like the best day for me. Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday and Friday are like on Tuesday or on Friday I choose to make some backtest, or maybe I try to catch some meme coins, some Omni futures on LBank. You have my LBank referral in the description and also in the banner. So yeah, also Solana is in the consolidation like for more than 3 months right now. So yeah, after we had some big move here, very good retest here. Yeah, so I'm expecting that too with the Bitcoin. Let's see how the fixed volume area look like. I want to see on this move, like, yeah, if something like this happen and we have a lot of sellers here, I will short Solana. Why Solana? Because Solana is my coin that I love to trade. But maybe also Bitcoin. But we need to wait a bit more. We need to wait a bit more here. Okay, guys, so we can see another pairs too. AVEX, the same chart like Solana, the same consolidation. Here we are in a consolidation. After this consolidation, we are expecting big moves up or down, guys. Up or down. I'm expecting big moves. Link looks like a little bit stronger in my view. Also, look, he break out this consolidation and now he like trading up. But I think he will retest this, and if Bitcoin doesn't have some power, he will rejoin this consolidation. If we have power on the Bitcoin, he probably will go on the next resistance zone here. LTC looks like Solana and AVEX, like consolidation, but also like he just break a bit the consolidation area and then come back. You see consolidating, break a bit and then come back. He took all this liquidity from here. A lot of sellers, they shorted and positioned their stop loss in this direction. Swing traders, of course, they are like part of them, they are liquidated by this move. XRP, I heard a lot of hype on XRP, a lot of hype on XRP, but in my view, the chart looks very, like the others, nothing special on this chart. Even more area of concerns because this is a very old altcoin and performing like very, how can I say, with moods, like with a lot of moods. Like, okay, we've seen this movement, but then we come back at the same, maybe the same level that breaks. So yeah, I personally, I don't like this coin particularly. So I personally, no, I will not put my money in this coin, even to just keep my money in this. No chance. But this is only my area of thinking, my view. Okay, APT, like, let's clear a bit of this noise. Yeah, so again, hard to predict, hard to understand what happened here because we are in the consolidation, but I see like big uh, buyers dominate here, and then sellers dominate here, and then buyers dominate here, and then maybe sellers will dominate here. Huh. This is a funny drawing. It look like 4 potatoes here. Yeah. So we will see. We will see, guys. We will see. We will see. Yeah, I'm curious, very curious on Ethereum. Cardano also. It's a lot of noise. I traded this a lot of again in the past. So yeah, we have some noise here, but let's see. Let's see. So the same, we had like a move dominated by sellers here, even if buyers like try to push, they didn't have enough power. The direction was in the seller's way, and then we had like a breakout, and then we we are retesting this. A lot of traders will try to move to put their position like this. I am very curious how this trade could perform, but I will not trade like this on an asset that depends more than 50% on Bitcoin. So even if this move looks pretty well, I am I am waiting to see how Bitcoin reacting. Oh my God, what is here on it? A lot of noise on it. So yeah, it is also a pair that I love to trade. I trade it a lot of times. Also, investing in it is a good idea, but at a good price. And in my vision, a good price is from this price below. Like as you can see, we had a very quick uh, staying point here where I see the best price of buying this asset. This asset is very good to be bought here. And look, a lot of people made like a lot of money here on this move. Very good. Also, as you can see, is a pretty uh, good asset to be traded for traders. Sometimes this is even easier than Solana. Maybe I will do today on it the back testing. Let me just close this noise and let's try to trade it a bit. Let's see. Right now, as I told you guys in my first live, but even in the other lives, if I didn't like rush into trading and give me, if I was giving me the time to learn how to trade and to do that step by step, I will be like far away right now. But this is how things work, for me and maybe for the most traders that you know are in the trading space. You need to lose the first time and then come back. And why I'm saying this, with my mindset, if I was starting with this mindset that I have now, I can be more further than I am now. But listen, you know, there is a word saying, but I'm not I'm not good at saying it in English, but you know, few people really understand things from other mistakes and didn't lose money. In my view, 99% of people who is starting trading is losing money. 99%, So yeah, it's for the ones that are really really smart and have the power to think before to start the market and have some ideas and uh, didn't rush don't rush into the market with all the money they have and give themselves time. But listen, not it's it's very good to give yourself the time, but not in the not in the not be scared to trade. Like take things slowly. You will do mistakes as anyone else, but don't rush your all of your money, you know. Don't rush all of your money, and then don't be scared. A lot of people uh, who start trading are scared. They quit because they are scared to trade. They are scared to risk their money, even $10. So I'm not talking about this category, but not even the ones who are crazy like me and risk all their money in the first day. So you need to be like in the middle. If you manage to be in the middle, is like crazy. But yeah, in my view, uh, the first asset by structure is Bitcoin, and the second is ETH, because ETH, as you can see, break this area of choppiness of support, break it, retest it, and now has another area of support. So in my view, this move looks pretty strong. Look, this is a very good area to buy here. Very good area to buy. Also, yeah, it's very good to put yourself alarms. Very good. Yeah. So let's try to trade. Let's try to trade it. I didn't trade it for a long time, but no problem. Let's start new and trade it. Okay, so 2024. Let's see, guys. Okay, so look, I want to trade on 1 minute, so I think I need to put myself in 1 minute and then replay. Replay. Okay. Okay, guys. So we will watch first the daily and mark out the zones here. A lot of noise. I don't like that I leave charts like this. You know, I hate that I leave charts like this. Okay, so let's we had the I don't know how it's called this one has a name. I can't remember right now, but yeah, we can make this short. Mark this. Of course. So let's open this DCL. Let's close this. So yeah, also we will try to trade only only the New York Open as we do every day. But we also have one strategy, but we will remain on the New York Open to be disciplined. Discipline. Okay, so let's see. I love how price reacting from this area of first candle after new after London. Yeah, let's this. Look, guys, that so the reaction is very good. Look, I'm always like to mark out these zones. Look how good it react. You look how good it reacted, but you didn't. After this move, all you can trade is like something like this. 1.5%. It's perfect. You don't need more than this. Sometimes, at first I wanted 20R. I wanted a lot of move, a lot of money. I wanted to make like from one trade, if the stop loss can be the slowest that it possibly can be, and the reward bigger than, you know, to trade one trade and make profit and come back with all my losses and everything. But you know, trading is not about this. Trading is about discipline, it's about boringness. If you are not bored by, being disciplined every day, by being, making back testing, if you are not bored by taking trades like 1 hour, you are not trading. Sometimes you need to do this. Sometimes these are the best trades, guys. Sometimes these are the best trades. Yeah, let's see. Ooh, what a move. What a short move, guys. Before the market open, let's watch a bit the 15 minutes move. Okay, so we are like in the area again. This is a high volume area here, but if we break this and we are entering here, this is a low volume node here. This is a low volume node. As I said, guys, sometimes uh, backtesting is boring, but you need to do the backtesting, guys. This is why I'm doing this. I'm doing this live because I want you to see that even with mood or not, we need to do some things, guys. So yeah, okay, we break this area. We retest the area. Oh, guys. Oh my God, guys. This was a very good trade, as you can see. But I played it before, you know, very good trade, guys. Look. And we also have like space to grow. Let's see. I always check that where I can put my yeah, we are good here. On 15 minutes. What big candles there are been. Okay, we are back to break even here. Okay, like this is a break even trade, but yeah, very good move. Very good move. It it's like a bit more unpredictable than Sol, or maybe I'm not used to it anymore. Okay, let's see the next trade, guys. Let's see here the next trade. Always marking out in zone the first candle. Okay, guys, it's very good reacting this area. Looks like a short here. We are in a New York Open. First five candles. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, this is a trade. This is a trade. Stop loss there. We stop loss here, and then see, you know, I didn't have like the best retest here. I rushed a bit, and then look, entry here, retest, perfect retest here, entry, and then yeah, it's crazy sometimes, guys. But yeah, and uh now I think we cannot trade because we are not in the area of trading right now. Let's mark out the next ones. Okay, so we will delete this. Let's see. Let's see. Retest. We are very interesting in the okay in the market New York sessions. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Mark them out here. Okay, I will mark this out as a support candle, and I want to see breakout with power. Okay, we see breakout with power in the other direction. Let's see. Yeah, we are now in zone that we don't trade in. Sometimes it's unbelievable, guys. Look, we trade only the New York Open and only 9:30 to 11. Exactly after the closure, after the sessions closed, exactly the move that we are expected. This is fucking crazy, guys. This is crazy stuff. But yeah, it's happened. It happens, guys. So yeah, let's uh, let's do uh, let's do back testing until the 9:30. So we are now in and at 8:30. We will wait a bit. 1 second, guys. Let's continue. Backtest is a must. We are preparing ourselves for the open today. So if we want to do good profits, it's very important for us to be here. So yeah, we will mark this zone. in this zone is always a lot of orders, a lot of liquidity there. Let's see. I will use this as, of course, use this. Let's see volume. We are in, guys. We would enter here and we will target this. Let's see. The second stopped out in this session. We don't have any wins until now, but we don't stop, guys. We don't stop. We will not stop. Let's see. Let's see. So this is the area. Retest, retest, and then took the liquidity and then breakout. Breakout of the zone. Okay, but we want to trade like New York Open, not this one. Oh, I pressed too early on this. So we missed the New York Open, but no problem. We can watch what setups there been. Mark first 5 candles. Mark them out. Okay. So this is like volume here. Yeah, so this would be guys, this would be a great win. We would have won this 3R. Like very good setup here. Very good setup here. Yeah, we can continue right now. We can continue. Hello. I'm not alone, guys. Haha, Nova Trading Labs is here. You are still here? Nova Trading Labs? Say something, man, if you are here. So yeah, we are not alone here, guys. Nova Trading is backtesting with us. So yeah, let's see what happens. Again, always I'm, I forgot to delete this noise here because it's very important to keep yourself clean. Uh, you know, I cannot make a conclusion only after 2 3 trades because you need to have like uh, a lot of trades. But all I can say is that I love to trade more Solana than ETH here. Is like I'm more familiar with Solana. Okay, we mark this out. So let's see. I wanna take this candle as a resistance candle support. Okay, want to see the retest volume, and let's see. Yeah, this is a good trade, guys. We are still in the market, something like this. You don't need to wait like for 3 candles. You can take the setup after you see some volume. So look, if you are seeing some volume, a retest, and then 2 candles closures in that direction, you can take the short. Let's see where will be my I can target these lows here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, when was the first price of Sol you went in? I don't know what you you know I don't know what you mean. When was the first price of Sol you went in? What are you talking about, man? I don't understand. Yeah, just tell me what you're meaning. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, this was a small trade, but yeah, it's still a win. Still a win here. You see how it consolidates on my TP, like, you know, price, like, know that this is the resistance here, has some support. Sorry, because as you can see on the 15 minutes we have a VVG here, and there are a lot of buy orders. First price of Sol that you bought how many years ago? First time that I bought Sol, I trade Sol like for 1.5 years, but I didn't catch the Sol. If you are meaning on spot, I didn't catch Sol on spot. I just trade Sol like for 1.5 years, something like this. I started with Bitcoin. I lost like a lot of money, not trading, but gambling Bitcoin. And then yeah, I said to myself that I need to do it. Where are you from, Nova Trading Labs? And how did you saw my live stream? You are like the first people who I'm interacting in a live after I started living. So how did you saw my live? Yeah, very very good to interact with people, guys. I'm new at live streams. I am excited every time when I'm speaking with someone. I didn't have any more chances, all the time is my girlfriend in the chats and alone. But I see that start to come to come some people here. Yesterday we have a guest today, so yeah, very glad to see, very glad to see that. So with you can give me some feedback now about trading, about my energy, about what I'm doing here. I started from scratch. Oh, I'm your team. Okay, so how is your name? You are in my team. You are in my LBank team. You okay? What is your name? Yeah, perfect. So I always like this. Let's see how it reacting from New York. Open. Okay. You can see that we break this level and then like we are using this level as a resistance. Even we it didn't sustain like support here. We break the zone. But let's see. Let's see. One, two, three, four. This strategy I use because it's simple. I have like another strategy, but this is so simple and always working out for me. So for the people who don't know the strategy, and again, I'm talking like I'm speaking in front of thousands of people because I want to get used to it. I know that it's like me and Nova Trade here that is watching me, but yeah, yeah. So my strategy is like this. Let me show. I'm always marking out the two zones, the candle open and the candle closure of the first 5 minutes of New York Open, like uh, support and resistance. And I'm waiting to see a breakout in the direction and then a retest with volume. And if I'm seeing retest with volume, I usually use also order flow, but simple order flow, not something complicated. I'm interested in entering, even bullish or bearish. I want to see something like this, and then I enter like in here. I put my stop loss like a bit, like this, and I target at least 2 hour. Sometimes it can be lower, but I like at least 2 hour. Yeah, it's very hard to guess. Maybe from the ha ha ha. I don't know. It's a bit hard to guess. I don't know. I know only my person who I work directly. So I wanna say, but no, it's hard to guess. I okay. I will say a name. I'm saying like Grace, but I don't know because you have like Nova Trading Labs. It's hard to guess, but yeah, I'm curious. Who are you, man? Or man or woman, of course. Yeah. So let's see how the price is moving right now. So we have our support area. Let's remove this. Okay. I always like to take rebalance, but not like this. I want to see some retest in the meantime. But listen, if the price is like, let's if we have a breakout. We didn't break here, as you can see, and a retest, and we didn't have volume at the retest, and we continued down, and we did not break this zone. The moves is still valid, you know, and if buyers take control here, if buyers take control here, I want, if I'm seeing volume at this stage, I want to trade like this. I'm entering after I'm seeing some volume at this level, and I'm trading uh like this one, you know. Sometimes just until next highs here. Sometimes I take 60% here and then move. Let's see what Nova Trading says. Yeah, it's Grace. Yeah, I'm glad. I figured it out after your ha 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 messages, because you are like this. So this is why I have the courage to say your name. If you didn't ha ha ha, I didn't say. Yeah, Grace, thank you for being here. We are the only one here, but we try to stay consistent, and make some backtesting today. Okay, so let's see if we have the retest. Look, the retest is perfect. The volume is here. The retest is perfect. The volume is here. We can put like the stop loss in this, and we will try like this. But listen, we have some bearish gap here. So yeah, but we take the TP, and with this TP we are like 2-2 right now. 2 wins, 2 losses. Yeah, 2 wins, 2 losses, and yeah, we continue. We have like 20 minutes until the open, and maybe we will find some trades there. Yeah, you can see that if I was like taking off only 60%, I was having room for growing a lot here, a lot. But yeah, sometimes I don't close at this level. I just let the trade run. Yeah. What I like to admit, and I love this part, even if are not so many people watching live, I saw that my live stream, started to be watched after. So I saw the first live stream uh, with 50 people that watched. There is great, and I think it's the best live on myself right now. I have my story there. I have everything, but I try to keep myself every live. I try to keep the same energy from the first one. As you can see in my banner here that I created, guys, we're starting from scratch here. We don't know the way. We find our way. You know, we find our way. The goal is financial freedom. The goal is to manage to be consistent, and to manage to do that in front of you guys. This is the the, the goal. And even if at my live stream, even if I'm only myself and Grace and my girlfriend and 2-3 people, I will be the same. I will make the same things. I try to show you everything, even if you are watching like 2 days after, or maybe you will not watch me like for the first month. I will be here. I will be consistent, and this will be like my my road to success live on YouTube, guys. Everything is live on YouTube. So yeah, I manifest. I'm manifesting when I'm speaking and I'm saying like, guys, even if I know that right now, yeah. So let's let's prepare ourselves for let's prepare ourselves, guys. Uh, Even today, as you can see, there are a lot of choppy market even this day. But this day we have some movement here. Today we have like this condition, but you'll be surprised that sometimes at the open can we can have some good PA, good price action, and revenging the choppy market earlier. So yeah, let's mark this. Okay, we had the retest. No, I will not take this as a retest, so I will not. Let's see. Again, a retest. The move is still valid because we didn't break here. You know, the move is still valid. We didn't break here. So yeah. Right now is invalid the short. Invalidates the short. Let's put here a emoji. Okay. So I will take this as our, yeah, but listen, I'm not trading in this white area, only the gray one. But let's see. Yeah, this will be a bullish move. We can enter like this, but yeah, this is not our zone. And the stop loss is a bit too big, so no, I will not take this one. I just want to see how it works. Stop loss is a bit too big for what I want. Yeah, it's like a TP, but yeah, it's too big for me, the stop loss. Too large. I want at least one and a half hours, not 1 hour. Is too, for my strategy. Yeah, another 15 minutes and we are in opens. We will be in the open. Hello, hello. Yeah, you can see that I put the stop loss very good here because we had like resistance here, and yeah, it's not good to trade the wall. This is a wall here, and I don't want to trade to break this wall and hope that he will break the wall. No, is a resistance. I will consider the resistance as fine and as a wall, and I will not trade the wall. Yeah. So look how it reacted from this resistance here. Very very aggressive. So yeah, let's prepare ourselves for the session. We have LBank here prepared, guys. So let's open the future because we will trade Solana today. Let's open the future. As I told you yesterday that we traded only futures. Today is the day for the future. And let's hope that we will find a trade today. Even if again the market was choppy, and in choppy markets, it's not like my perfect water condition. It's like when you are in the at sea, and when you have big waves, you don't enter, and yeah, it's like me here. I have like big waves today. As you can see, we have some very very low volume here. It's not something that we like to trade. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Great. Great. So I'm here to be myself. If you can learn from me, appreciate you. I'm here to make mistakes. I'm here to lose. I'm here to win. I'm here to share with everyone my mentality. And the most, the great thing about me, I'm not afraid to lose. I'm not afraid to make mistake. I'm not afraid to look stupid sometimes because I know that this is the actually road to figure it out. If you don't try, you will never figure it out. So yeah, my leverage is depends on my account. If I trade with a big account, like let's say $200, I will trade like on a trade $20. And for me to uh, get for me to trade $20, I need to have like 100x or something like this. If I'm trading with 20k, the risk will be $200, and I can have like 10x leverage or less leverage. I recommend less leverage if you ask me because it's like protecting you from liquidation, and also uh, it's lower fees. So yeah, I will watch Sol. Let's close a bit this. Yeah, so as I told you, we are in a choppy move right now. I see a reacting from this zone. It's a gap here, a bearish gap, and we are in this range right now. Let's see if we find something to trade at the open. We will do exactly the same that we did in the backtest. Yes, so I don't know if I need to answer in the comments or I need to answer in the live. I think if I answer the question in live, I think it's okay because I don't have a moderator. So yeah, and for the people who are like watching my live after the actually live, because I'm glad to say that I saw that there are some people who watch after I'm doing live, maybe because of the schedule or anything else. If you don't understand what means 50% rebate, because as you can see, and I told you yesterday and also today, if you are trading with me, and if you are trading with me, you will choose LBank because LBank is like my partner in crime. Let's say, it's my team, my partner, my supporter that I can do these live streams. Uh, if you are trading LBank and you open an account on my link, you will get free money, $10 if you are doing a QIC, and also you will have the possibility to win more by actually understanding the Omni futures, because if you are a good trader and understand Omni futures, because Omni futures is like small cap meme coins that are the possibility to make you like 10R in 3-5 minutes. You need to trade Omni futures because you will have the possibility to like make a lot of money in a short term. So it is a great way to make some practice in trading, because it's simple to trade meme coins than Solana or Bitcoin or something like this. You will see how I trade meme coins on my on my yesterday live stream. That was a very good live stream. And also, uh, if you don't know what rebate means, uh, Grace asked me in the comments, uh, with what leverage I trade. If you are trading like with, you know, $200 on a stop loss, you are doing volume. Even with $10, you are doing volume, but I mean a bigger volume. And when you trade like this every day, you will make a lot of volume in 1 week and 1 month. That volume in the exchange, uh, at some exchanges I traded on Binance and I did like 20 million in volume. I didn't get nothing in return, and I paid like for fees, some trades I paid fees like $100 piece, because I had like some big trades with a lot of leverage and a lot of movement there, a lot of money in the trade, but $100 in fees and nothing back. So with 50% rebate, you will have the opportunity to get back 50% of your money that you are paying in fees. And this is a very good reason to uh, find yourself a platform that gives you that. And of course, I recommend you to join LBank, because I think we have the best offer. Not only that, but we have Omni Futures that is like, if you are a beginner, you need to learn how to trade meme coins, because meme coins are the path of learning trading. If you are trading Solana, on Solana there are big market makers, there are a big, smart money people with a lot of money here, and you can quickly get tricked. But on meme coins, even if it seems like scary, with meme coins there are a bit of volume, a bit of person early, and you have like very practical moves up, down, it's like easier to trade. So this is my advice for you guys, for the people who are watching after I'm living right now. Yeah, we will be waiting to see the first 30 minutes of the New York Open because this is the most important one. Okay, but yeah, I answered. Yeah, let's see. I'm on. I answered on live, Grace. So I don't know if I need to answer on the comments. If it's more good to answer on the comments. Very very funny. Let's. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see my live on my channel, on Razvan on Charles channel. Or yeah, I saw that. How to respond? How to? Is like on WhatsApp. It's like I don't know, Grace, how to respond on chat on YouTube. I only can respond like live. So again, leverage I depends on the amount of the account. If I have 20K, I will use less leverage. If I have like $20 in the account, I will use the highest leverage that I can. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, in live trading, the hard part, in my opinion, is that you need to wait a lot for your trade. And in that time that you need to wait for your trade and your execution, in that time you have a lot of spots to make a lot of mistakes. Maybe you get bored and your mind tell you let's trade, let's make some money now, even if it's not your price action. Let's make some money now because you need to make to to go on vacation, and you can't wait. You need to get your parents in your vacation, and you need to make money now, and you will rush, and you will make mistakes, and you will you know you if you can't wait, you will make a lot of mistakes. Yeah, if you need to trade. So in my opinion, the more mistakes that you can do is in that time that you need to be patient and don't trade. There are many days that you cannot find trades. Yesterday, no trade. 2 days in the 2 days before, no trade. Only Monday trade. So only Monday this week we had some trades. So yeah, I think it's a gap, and in that gap you need to find yourself. Uh, yeah, I think this subject is a very good subject to also make a video, guys. So I will do a video also about this subject. I had an idea right now. So yeah, Yeah. Grace, you have a very good jokes. Yes, very good jokes. Yeah. So this is New York Open, and this is our time to trade. This is the first candle. Look how small is the candle. So right now we are in a very tricky price action, guys. Sometimes I don't trade at all this price action, but I will not force trades even for you. I know that you want to see me trade, but I will not force trade even for you. Look, this is like crazy market action. Crazy market action right now. Market price. Price, no. Price action. Yeah. Yeah, and one more thing, I need to note my ideas, guys, because I got uh, a lot of ideas right now. Let's note my ideas. I have some ideas from some videos. Yeah, so um, even if at start I was like starting with a very big gap. I lost all my money or my economy or my I dreamed, with that money I was like a lot of dreams with that money, and I lost everything. Even if I did that, I have some friend of mine that always told me you need to find, you know, joy in everything. So I started to find joy in waiting in trading. I started to find joy in discipline. Even if I was very cocky when I had the money, I told, okay, I am smart. I know how to make money. I am charismatic. I know how to interact with people. And this mean that I will make money in market. This is a stupid, you know, mistake and stupid thinking. But this would make me realize that you know, it's it's very good to find joy in everything you do. And I started to find joy in something that it take me everything. Trading it like take me everything, every money that I had, and I find the joy in it. I find the joy in having patience, even if in the past I didn't have patience. So yeah, I think that you know uh, when you ask God to give you patience, it will give you, look, some volume here. Let's mark out the first five candles. If you, it will give you areas in life to be patient, and I think this is exactly what He gave me. I didn't see back then, but I see now, and yeah, finding the joy in everything you do. This is something that you need to think about. To find joy in patience. I didn't understand that back then. Yeah, guys, if we have like this shit price action and this shit move, this means like a manipulation. A lot of people will say, "Oh, right now is a short. We need to enter short," and they are they are exactly the opposite of the patience. And I was exactly the same, and I was like Oh, I need to enter short right now. I need to be fast. You know, guys, I was treating myself that I was giving me slaps that I'm not fast of on executing orders, guys. This was stupid I was, you know. I was like slapping myself that I'm not. This is very funny. I'm not entering the position, you know, the fast as I can. It was only an illusion because you don't need to be fast. You just need to plan your trade, and we have nothing to do with this uh, candle here. We have nothing to do with this, you know. No way. We are not interested in this. We need to see like very, you know, because right now we can have a bullish candle like this, you know. We can have patience to understand the direction. So yeah, uh, planning is everything. And at first I thought that everything is you need to be fast. If I'm not fast, I'm you know. And this is why a lot of market is like this. Let me let me show you something. Is like this. A lot of rookies get stopped here, and then a move like this, and they are we need to make this, and they leverage a lot here. They leverage a lot, entering like in here. Then the market is doing here. Then they increase their position to try to uh, position their entry like a bit uh, a bit more good, but the market is delivering that way, and they are getting close a lot of money. They start to cry, they start to beat themselves, but in life this is not the way, you know. Yeah, so and one more thing, one more idea that I have, I need to combine mentality with trading because I love to speak about my mistakes. So I need to know that too. I love to trade also, but when I need to be patient, I love to talk and speak about uh, my knowledge and my beliefs. Okay, so I can mark out this candle as like our support here. I can mark this candle as our support. Let's know this idea that I have. So also uh, one good one very good time to trade is New York New York PM. Usually when it's choppiness in the New York Open, New York PM is very. You can see we have some volume here, you know, but it's a lot, and we have resistance here. We have resistance here. I'm not confident right now in this move. If you ask me, I'm not so confident in this move right now, even if you know it's like our strategy. I want to see this breakout. I want to see something, you know. But I'm ready. If something happen, I'm ready. I'm also, I'm an what? I'm at I'm at what? Guys, I'm not used to it to speak. so much time in English, and maybe that. Yeah, I'm at Seoul right now. I'm at Seoul, and I'm prepared to take the trade. Yeah, let's 1 second. Let's fill up my button. Let's see who's with me in the comments. I like become so comfortable like reading comments, and I love that. Yeah, one person right now with us. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, look, this is an area of support. It's very stupid uh, to take a trade right now. It's like a bet. It's like a bet right now. If you ask me, look why this is a bet. Where is a lot of buyers here that are controlling the price, a lot of sellers here that are controlling the price. Whose direction we go? In what direction to bet? It can go here and then here. It can go here and then here. It's like uh, it's like betting at roulette. You don't know. So yeah, this is not a good time to trade, if you ask me. But yeah, we can try like another live today at New York TN. But let's see. I will put like 5 likes as a target. We had two right now. Let's see. Five likes, 5 likes, and we will be on New York PM live also. But 5 likes without my like. Yeah, the buyers, started to push. If we traded, and my second live I thought I got to it in March or in January. I think I will take this trade, but this is a very stupid trade. So guys, you are learning as you show up every day. You are learning something every day. So you have the possibility to learn something every day, every day. So this is great. Great. Let's wait something. It's very hard for me to stay calm and then don't say anything on my live. It's like I am feeling like something happened. Also, for the people that watch the live after, if you are seeing this, a comment, a like, maybe a feedback from you guys, it's great. Even if I, have all this, you know, motivation, I need some direction from you guys. So yeah, give me some direction. If you are right now in the live, that person that is in the live, I appreciate if you give me some direction. There are two people in this live right now. I'm very, I challenge you guys. Write me something in the comments, some feedback. Maybe you watch 5 minutes of my live. Maybe you watch, you know, 30 minutes. Give me some direction in your opinion, guys. I'm at start. I want to learn. What should I be doing? What do you want to see, guys? What do you want to see? There are two persons. So I'm speaking with you guys. I challenge you to do that. I challenge you to give me something. Yeah, if this market is so boring, what could we do, right? So let's talk. Let's talk, guys. Let's talk because I don't want to get bored here. Yeah, so right now there are three people watching this. So guys, this is my challenge for you. Okay, very good question, Grace. So the political side, yeah, I I love to speak about the political side, but I'm not an expert and I don't want to get involved in this sensitive subjects. But every meeting, everything that is involved Trump, I think is very volatile market, and it can be short term, be you know seen like something uh, increasing or something decreasing. It's like people will anticipate this move and will be some volatility. So I don't know where will be the meeting and when. I don't know when, but if you know when, you can write me because I'm curious. I want to know where and when, because I will be careful in that day. Yeah. So as you can see right now, as I told you, we will try New York PM. Look, sometimes the New York PM is very good. Asia, it's always had a lot of volume, but at Asia time at me is night, so yeah. Okay, I in the market we it's not showing that they meet today. It's very choppy. Maybe they will meet in the next hour, but how the market are looking right now is like sleeping. It's so slow, right? Yeah, I think this meeting is very important on the political side because I think it's very important also from the conflict part of things. So yeah, we will see. Thank you for your question, Grace. If you saw my message, if you have some direction that you have on the record, I will ask also, off the record, but on the record, what do you think? Uh, I'm at start, so I want some direction from you. I will ask every person that is in my life. What do you want to see on my live streams? So yeah, give me some feedback. I also asked. I don't know his name, but I will remember uh, the person that he was at my live stream yesterday, and he said that I have a lot of energy, and he wants to see more Omni futures. So we will do also Omni futures. One feedback that I have for me, I need to find myself a microphone because it's it seems like I'm speaking for my grand grandpa garden, you know. It's like I'm very with echo, so yeah, I will have some a microphone. Yeah, so we will do this today on New York PM. We will see if we have some 5 likes here. Yeah, let's watch a bit Omni Futures right now because there are a very good market Omni Futures. I love Omni Futures. So let's see. There are some new coins. Look, Meme Elon is like so new. CFD Modu here. Look guys, this already has 10 millions in volume. This is crazy. Look, you could trade something like this, like 50K in volume, and turns out to be 10 million. Do you know what that means? Let me show you what that means. That is meaning that you will, oh my god, guys, look at this chart. This is what I told you guys. This is what I told you. Look at this chart. Look at this. Guys, this is amazing, honestly. You can trade, you can learn how to trade. You can trade with only $1 here, guys. Only $1. And if you are catching this, imagine, guys, if you are catching this, let's see here. Because now, we don't want to see like we are involved that happens. We need to wait for the volume. And look, entering here. Imagine these guys entering here with $10, let's say. Entering here with $10 and sell here. Imagine guys, look at this. It's like I don't even really know how to read this number, guys. I don't even know how to read this fucking number, guys. This is so crazy here. Crazy stuff happening here. Yeah, so why not? Why you don't try to trade this? Because this is a very good, opportunity to trade this. You will have so much opportunity by trading this, and you can try meme Elon. Imagine to tweet Elon a tweet about this meme coin, And listen, most of the checks, most of the platforms didn't even have, they don't have these meme coins because they are so new. Look, this is listed like today. This is new, guys. This is very new. You can find here X-Link. Also, look, I don't know why the internet is so slow, but check it out. Guys, this is so new, guys. Look at this. Meme il. I don't know where is like this when it started, but this is so new, guys. Yeah, so you can check it out also. Yeah, as I told you guys, the market is very slow right now. We don't have really what to trade right now. So this is the reason why we looked a bit on meme coins. These are crazy, guys. These are crazy. Look at this. 1000 I don't even know how to pronounce it. My bad, but yeah. These are very low cap, guys. Very low cap. Very low caps here. Let's see if Grace responded us. No, she didn't respond us right now. But maybe I have some luck. Five likes, guys, and I will be today at New York PM on live. Yeah, so for today, we will also be prepared maybe the next live with some money to trade here. It will be great, guys, to trade together also. And also maybe the next time we will have some setups because today we didn't have any setup. Very choppy market today. I'm glad that we took the trade on Monday live. We take a very good big trade Monday, but until then we didn't have what to trade, guys. We didn't have what to trade, really. So yeah. Sometimes I think my accent is like Russian accent speaking in English. I'm curious what are you saying about my accent in English? I have like sometimes an Italian combined with some Russian accent in English, but I will get there. I will uh, I will improve also my English by doing this, guys. Look, what we wanted to see here. I wanted, I can call this as a retest, but for the move to be like, for me to take this trade, I need to see this and with volume. And only that, when I'm seeing this with volume, I will, take in the consideration to take the trade, guys. Only that. So yeah, this is my mentality. I try to be as open as possible with you guys. Let's see what happens in this move. but we don't have volume. Look at this candle. It seems like he's sleep. It seems like she's sleeping right now. Look, this is a sleepy candle right here. And what if would be like boom and some Beijing meeting, some Trump getting hand with the Chinese president, and this candle like skyrocketing. But right now it's like sleeping, you know. We don't want to see this. We want to see clear move, because when we are seeing these low candles in the New York market, let's see. Maybe right now we'll have something, but we need also to be careful, because we have this sweep here, this liquidity sweep here, and this is a lot of liquidity, guys. Here, this is a lot of money here, because a lot of people put their trades like this, and stop losses after these lows here. So maybe the market will chop down and then come back. So yeah, nothing really in our direction here, guys. Yeah, we will try maybe New York PM. I want to see 5 likes, guys, 5 likes, and I will be on New York PM today, maybe to took a trade. But for now, we will close this live here. Thank you everyone for being here, and waiting you to see on the next live, because I will be, guys, every day I will be here. Also, I will be in weekends some days on. Yeah, you will not get rid of me, guys. You will not get rid of me. I will be here live with you, documenting everything. So thank you again, guys, for your support.